Alright, hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Ben Keyboard Piano Lesson. You're welcome once again. Today we are talking about how to play worship and how to play praises. You know, playing worship song is totally different from playing praises, because on praises with a lot of rhythm, background, band playing, bata bata bata, it will cover up the background. But on worship, you need to play full chord in order to cover up the background with the rhythm. But how can you do that? Playing do, mi, so on chord 1 cannot do. So what you have to do is to play full chord, which is do, mi, so, do. So on your right hand, all you have to play 1, 3, 4, 5, not playing 2. On your right hand, you have to play 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 on the right hand, 1, 3, 4, 5 on your left hand. You need to set your keyboard perfect the way you like. I'm going to teach you how to set the keyboard, even if you are going to play any other voice apart from the one that I'm playing. Very good, but the only thing is for you to know how to set it. You can choose voice you want. So let us go to the lesson. Welcome to the lesson. So let me put grand piano for me to set the keyboard perfect the way it has to be. Okay, let's assume if I want to play this grand piano on worship song, all I have to do is to press do. So when you press do, jamba will be the voice that we play on my particular keyboard. If you listen, you will hear something like a string at the background now. If I don't want to use it, I'll choose voice that I want to use. Let me choose totally string, and I have put in the string. If you can listen, you will hear the grand piano and the string also. So that is how you can set the keyboard. If you want to increase the volume of that string, you press the volume. The volume is to increase the string. So on 50 as a volume. So that is how you can set it. You can choose different voice. When you press voice now, you can choose different voice. Let me choose different voice. So now I'll put in ocarina, but I want to play dua also. Now ocarina should be. So let me put a string with ocarina. Let us see. Have you seen how it's sounding? Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. But we have to play full chord that I'm talking about. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Let's put a grand piano, I mean. press choose. Let's play Oh Lord My God for you to hear how this one will sound. We are going to talk about how you can play the chord smoothly. You're on your one. As I have taught you how to play 1-5 as a starting bass line, then all you have to do is hold F, then use your middle two finger, hold Mi, So. That's chord 1. On chord 4, what you have to play is hold A sharp, then use your two middle finger, hold La, Do. On your chord 5, you have to hold C, which is So. Then use your two middle finger, play Re, T. That's chord 5. So let's play song for you to see how my hand move to each chord. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent you know you can play this song with vamping only. So let's play vamping for you to see that one. Very exciting. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord. If you don't know how to play the finger and bass, how to play the 4 chord, you can use this method to play worship. But I advise you to learn the 4 chord. So this one is better. Please try to subscribe on this channel for more video. I'll be teaching you how to play the keyboard to the end. Thank you for watching.